Standard First. Subject Maths. Hello student, I am Jyoti Singh. Today we will learn a new topic, addition by counting forward. Addition by counting forward means to count after the given number. So let's start. Students, there are two methods of addition. First, addition by counting number of objects. Second, addition by counting forward. We will see one by one. Now student, in this example we have 10 cars. If I add or plus 5 more cars, so how many cars I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total I have 15 cars. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now student, look at this picture. What is this? Yes, it is our favorite indoor game, snake and ladder. Student, we already know the rules of this game. When we got the number 6 for the first time, we move our piece from 1 to 6. As we know, we got number 6, we got one more chance to play. So now we got number 4. So, how many steps we will move from number 6? Yes, 4 steps ahead, like this. And we got number 10. So student, indirectly we are doing addition. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So student, this is our second method, addition by counting forward. So let's solve some more example based on this method. For example, here we have 10 plus 5. So first we have to identify the bigger number. So among these, which is the bigger number? Yes, 10 is a bigger number. So bigger number you have to keep in your mind, and smaller number you can draw dot or line, or you can count on your finger like this. So student, now keep the 10 number in your mind and count 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15. So what is our answer? Yes, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now student, we saw two methods, method 1 and method 2. So which is the quicker and easy method? Yes, method 2 is a fastest and quicker method. Let's solve some more examples based on it. Now student, look at this picture. See what the teacher is telling to Salma. Salma, take these two seedlings and plant them in your garden. Salma, sure ma'am, I already have 5 seedlings in my garden. Now children, how many plants there in Salma's garden altogether? Now student, let's understand this concept. Salma has already 5 seedlings in her garden, and her teacher gave her 2 more seedlings. So now we have to find how many seedlings Salma had in her garden. Altogether means we have to do addition. So now here we have to identify the bigger number. So now the bigger number is 5, and we have to count up to 2. So we have to count the number after 5. So 6, 7. So how many seedling does the Salma have in her garden? Yes, 7. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now student, look at this example. Meet Radhika. Radhika has 3 dolls. Her mother gave her 2 more dolls. So how many dolls does Radhika have altogether? Now student, Radhika has already 3 dolls. Her mother gave her 2 more dolls. 2 more dolls means we have to do addition. So student, first we have to identify which is the bigger number. So here 3 is a bigger number. So we have to add 2 more dolls in 3. So here we have to count after 3 because 3 is a bigger number. Still, how many steps we have to go forward? Yes, we have to go forward. Step 2, like 4, 5. So, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. It means the sum of this 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Here I have one more example for you. Now, here we have the 6 butterfly and 3 butterfly. So, here we have to add 3 plus 6. So, first we have to identify which is a bigger number. Yes, 6 is a bigger number. So, now we have to add 3 more in 6. So, we have to count after 6 because 6 is a bigger number. Still, how many steps we have to go forward? Yes, we have to go forward 3 steps after 6. Like this. 7, 8, 9. So, what answer we got here? 9. So, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. Now student, in this example we have 6 plus 4. It means we have to add 4 more ball in 6. So student, what we have to do? Yes, first we have to identify which is a bigger number. So here 6 is a bigger number. So we have to count after 6 because 6 is a bigger number. Still, how many steps we have to go forward? Yes, we have to go forward 4 steps after 6 like this. 7, 8, 9, 10. So, which number we got here at last? 10. So, our answer is 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Now student, in first sums we have to do 4 plus 3. So we will keep the 4 number in our mind and we will go 3 steps forward. 5, 6, 7. So what answer we got? Yes, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Now in second sums we have 2 plus 8. So 8 is a bigger number. So we have to keep the 8 number in our mind and we have to go 2 steps forward. So we will count after 8. 9, 10. So what answer we got? Yes, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Now student, in third sums we have 15 plus 4. So 15 number keep in your mind and we have to go 4 steps forward after 15 like this. 16, 17, 18, 19. So what answer we got? Yes, 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. Now fourth sums. Fourth sums we have 3 plus 9. So 9 number keep in your mind and we have to go 3 steps forward after 9. 10, 11, 12. So what answer we got? Yes, 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. Now student, we will add vertically. So the first sums is 11 plus 3. So which is the bigger number? Yes, 11 is a bigger number. So 11 number we will keep in our mind, and for 3 number I will draw 3 dots. Now we will count number forward after 11. 12, 13, 14. So what answer we got? Yes, 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. Now student, second sums. In second sums, 14 plus 4. So 14 number we will keep in our mind, and for 4 number I will draw 4 dots. Now we will count the number after 14. 15, 16, 17, 18. So what answer we got? Yes, 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. Now student, third sums. In third sums we have 18 plus 1. So 18 number we will keep in our mind, and for 1 number I will draw 1 dot. Now we will count the number after 18. 19. So what answer we got? Yes, 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. Now fourth sums. In fourth sums we have 15 plus 2. So 15 number we will keep in our mind, and for 2 number I will draw 2 dots. Now we will count after 15. 16, 17. So what answer we got? Yes, 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Now student, evaluation time. Here we have number 5 plus 3. So first we have to identify which is the bigger number. Yes, 5 is a bigger number. So we have to add 3 more number to 5. So we have to count after 5. Still how many steps? 3 steps. We have to go forward after 5. 6, 7, 8. So what answer we got? Yes, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Very good. Now student, same here. Here the given number is given and the answer is given. So now we have to find out the missing number by counting forward till we got the answers. Okay. So now here given number is 2 and the 2 dot is given. So we will draw more dot till we got the answer 11. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we got the answer 11. Now we will count how many dot we drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we draw 9 dot. So 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Now student, here 6 dot is given and number 6. Now we will draw the more dot till we got the answer 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we got the answer 15. Now we will count how many dot we drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we draw 9 dot. So 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. Now student, here 9 dots is given and answer 9. So now we will draw the dot till we reach the answer 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we got the answer 14. Now we will count how many dots we drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we drawn 5 dots. So 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Now student, here 7 dot is given and 7 number. Now we will draw the dot till we reach the number 16 by counting forward. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we got the answer 16. Now we will count the number of dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we draw 9 dot. So 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. Now student, activity time. Match the butterfly to their flowers by counting forward. Now it's your homework time. Find the missing number by counting forward. Student, you can use your finger also for counting. Let's practice addition. Thank you.